That's exactly what he was trying to say. You see, a lot of things have changed. On the face of it, in our books, I'm the National Deputy Chairman of Azimio. Obranya is supposed to be the National Chairman. So many things have changed. As he has raised, I do not know where the offices of Azimio are. We have never met since the election. Okay?
Why haven't you met?
I don't know. The owners have decided that there shall be no meeting, and I don't know who the owners are. You see, and I want you to understand this, and I also want you to be very realistic even in the line of question that you take. Take this. The numbers were determined based on the realignment and alignment that took place on or before the election of the speaker and the formation, the decision to decide which group formed the majority of minority actually was. And then I entirely associate myself with what the decision reached at that particular time by the Honorable.
That's what I'm asking. Should you determine, I mean, I still have, you're still on the floor. Should you determine the majority and the minority based on the allegiances of the politicians, or is it based on the vote expressed by the members that form the electoral register who express themselves in an election?
And I think it's also fair that when you ask a question, you also give me an opportunity to respond to the same. But I was saying,
the question,
the issue, first of all, at hand right now is the judgment. That judgment attempts to micromanage Parliament.
How so?
Attempts to deal with political issues that ideally be left for politicians.
But it is...
Let me finish.
Your party has made that went to court.
Let me finish. Even after going to... You know, the court does not operate in a vacuum. The court operates within the realm of the Kenyan society. The Kenyan society is not a moving target. The Kenyan society exists. Since that petition was lodged, Mother Karua's party, Mother Karua was supposed to be the deputy, I mean, call it the running mate of the Azimio candidate. She left. Have you had any...
No. This matter was taken to court in October 2022.
I want to give you...
Before all these things happened.
I want to help you understand why this is inconsistent. This ruling does not explain anything. And I will say that it's an attempt through the back door to manage political activities. You see, now Kenya left. Mother Karua was the running mate of Raila. No Azimio meeting was held to confirm or deny the same. Jubilee left. They left. UDM left. So which is this Azimio you are talking about right now? It doesn't exist. If it exists, it exists in the utopian world. That being the case, in August, immediately after the August 2022 general election, so many things happened. The right to association, I think he has rightly put, and that is a fundamental constitutional issue. The right to associate. You cannot be forced to a marriage that you do not want. Parties realigned. But there was the issue of the 3-month notice. Okay?
Yep.
There's the issue. That was again subject to the legal interpretation. I think that's one of the issues that the court has alluded to. That being the case, even after 3 months, 3 months from August 2022 will have been sometimes in 1st January 2023. The court should have been alive to this fact that from that time until the day when they have issued the ruling, so many things must have happened. And some of these things were in public.
But was there any evidence that was tabled to that effect?
Where the judges don't live in Kenya?
None.
The lawyers have also expressed this. The lawyers on record have expressed this. And I will tell you since there's what has happened. Now Kenya left. My friend's party left. UDM left. Jubilee left. Jubilee now is an independent parliamentary party, the third. So those things have changed. So this ruling has no effect in law. Has no effect. The majority leader still remains the Honorable.
So when did Jubilee leave Azimio?
We left. We gave the notices, but there was no Azimio to sanction. We left a long time ago through a NEC resolution, through a BG resolution. We sent the same to the Speaker.
Which NEC?
The NEC of Jubilee.
Chaired by who?
Chaired by the Chairman Nzuya.
But you know there has been contest about...
Agreed. That was done after. It was the issue of who is the secretary. But that decision was done by the majority, and that has not been questioned, by the way.
Who was the Secretary General signing off?
That is a different... We have... that's one individual. It's the decision of the parties made by the NEC. And by the way, for information, we had 25 out of 28 NEC members.
I'm saying there has been contest about decisions made by that NEC.
It didn't affect, fortunately, it didn't affect the issue of our exit from Jubilee. It's only Kioni who has remained, from our exit from Azimio, it's only Kioni who has remained in Azimio and Jubilee. The truth of the matter is, out of 34 members, 32 have exited, okay? We have notified the Speaker. We have been recognized as an independent parliamentary party, and we have a whip, just like any other party. And therefore, right now, we have 3 parliamentary parties. Three. Okay? Jubilee is one of them. So that being the case, where does this ruling take us? It takes us nowhere.